Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious cheesecake. We'll start by gathering our ingredients, ensuring everything is at room temperature for the best results. Then, we'll move on to creating a sturdy and flavorful crust, followed by preparing the rich, smooth filling. Finally, I'll guide you through the baking and cooling process to achieve that perfect, crack-free finish. Let's get baking. First, let's talk about the perfect crust. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 6 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Combine these ingredients thoroughly until they resemble wet sand. Then, press the mixture firmly and evenly into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan. This creates a sturdy and delicious base for your creamy cheesecake. Now for the star of the show, the creamy filling. Make sure your 3 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese are at room temperature for a lump-free batter. Beat them until smooth, then gradually add 1 cup of granulated sugar and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Finally, mix in 4 large eggs, one at a time, scraping down the bowl after each addition. Be careful not to overmix. Baking your cheesecake correctly is crucial for preventing cracks. Place your springform pan in a larger roasting pan and fill it with hot water, creating a water bath. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 75 minutes. Once baked, turn off the oven and let it cool slowly with the door ajar. Finally, chill your cheesecake for at least 6 hours or ideally overnight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.